What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Garden with Barchuckin. I'm going to be checking in on my original red wiggler bin. This is basically ready for harvest also. And I'm going to quick check this bait cup and then sift these castings. So, worms that were kind of hanging out on the outside, they're heading in. Okay. Check that out. There's a bunch of worms still in there. So what I ended up doing, I added some extra water. And then I did the blended food. Check that out. That's awesome. Now that's how the bait cup's supposed to work. So I'm going to just kind of gently go around the edge to see if I can get some of these guys out. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to place this cup in the feeding area that's over on this other bin. I'm going to keep these guys to the side, and then they're going to get added right back into this bin. And just so you see, I'm going to basically try to do about 2/3 of this bin sifting with the 1/4-inch screen. And as you see, I got too excited and I just jumped in without gloves. Couple big guys fell. Okay, yeah, there's a few worms in here. So what I'll probably do is, before I kind of finish and pack these away for a little bit, is add that bait cup actually back with some more bedding, some more water in the bottom, and some more of that blended food. But yeah, that's beautiful for me. I'm very, very happy with that. I have some seedlings that I need to plant out, and this will come in handy. I also have some sweet potato slips to start getting in the garden, so I'll probably be doing that in a little bit, and then add a small handful of these castings to the containers. If you guys have any questions, don't forget, drop them down in the comments. You know, for me, these are fairly dry, but you can see it holds, and then as you start to go ahead, it breaks back down, which I'm perfectly happy with these. When I go to add it to my 7-gallon tote, I may add just a little bit of water, so it kind of keeps them hydrated. All the castings that I sifted, I just added back what material was left, and it basically filled it to a decent level for me. So I'm going to leave this alone for right now, but I will add these guys. Yeah, that's so awesome. Yeah, it's pretty moist, so we'll keep this bin happy for the next couple days until it gets closer to the next feeding. I'm going ahead and I have bedding paper, some water, and blended food. Topped it off with some more shredded paper, and then I hit just a little bit more water on top. So hopefully that helps to draw some worms into that bait cup. And then I'll add that back to this original red wiggler bin and we'll be good to go. This was the bin, the red wiggler bin. This is the one that also had the slugs at one point when I did the natural bedding. Here's a super surprise. I think I will be trying the natural bedding out again because I have the pine trees in the backyard, and then I also have been getting some leaf mold from the city. So I have some, you know, actually already broke down leaves that they can go ahead and go after. Well, I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for coming along, checking out the video.